to Cafe de Laura's Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to make a pork kebabs, and these are all the ingredients that we prepared. First, our Texas smoke house barbecue pork loin, and then we have a coarsely chopped bell peppers, and we also have a coarsely chopped mushrooms. We have a coarsely chopped red onion, and then we are also gonna need olive oil, paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. Let's start it. Okay, let's just start slicing our pork loin, and then we are going to season it again, like the paprika, salt and pepper, and some olive oil. Okay, this is how I sliced it, like that. Okay. Okay, after we slice the pork loin, we are going to do the vegetables. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, so here is what we're gonna do. Let me just put this in the sink. We are going to put some paprika. Okay. Okay, and then some black pepper. And then some salt. And then we are going to put some olive oil so they won't get dry when they're get grilled. Okay. So this is what I usually doing, like I'm getting the pre-seasoned, and then I'm going to season it again because I like the way I do it. So after I season them, we are going to mix our pork until mix well, like that. Okay, just keep mixing it. Make sure it gets through it. Okay, it smells very good. Okay, so we are going to separate this for a minute because we are still gonna do the vegetables. Okay, all right, so let me just put this in here. Okay, so in this bowl, so what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put all together like our vegetables, like that. And then these onions must be separate them each other. Okay, we actually need a big bowl. I don't think we could mix it well them here in this bowl. Okay, let me get a big bowl. I don't think it will be yeah, right. Okay, here. We don't have to use all of our onion. It's gonna be a lot of vegetables. It's just one more slice, and then I don't know. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put some olive oil, and then some salt, black pepper, then some paprika. All right, be enough. And then mix all of them. I think I'm gonna add more olive oil. Yeah, let me just add a little bit of more olive oil. Okay. Okay, so after we mix all together, this is what we're gonna do. We have a skewers here, and just one each, like that. There you go. And then just keep repeating. Bell peppers again, and then mushrooms, and then the onion, meat. See? And here. There you go. Very easy. We're just like gonna do it, repeat like over and over again, like bell peppers, the mushrooms, the onion, pork, the veggies again. Okay. But you have to be careful, guys, when you poking the meat. You might, guys, I'm gonna poke your hand. Okay. Then onion, and then meat again. 3, 1, 2, 3. Oops. Push down a little bit more. Okay. The onion. I think we could make 4 skewers or kebab. This is the nice thing when you're wearing gloves. You don't have to like just keep washing your hands. At least once that you have your gloves, you wearing gloves. It's, you know, it's nice when you're wearing gloves. It doesn't feel like gross. Alright, so one more. Oops, sorry, I missed. Okay, we're almost done. Okay, so we have more. 1 meat slice of pork. Let's just put it there. Okay, kind of heavy. Okay, and we have more left vegetables. Maybe we could just like put in a tray, and then my husband can still grill that. Okay. Alright, so here is my kebabs, pork kebabs. Very easy to make. I'll let you know, guys, when it gets grilled. Thanks for watching.
So let's start grilling them. Woo. It's so cold. Oh. Okay. And then let's just cover them. And then we have to wait at least like 3 minutes to flip it over, and then check it again, and then flip it over again for about 3 minutes. But it depends to the how you guys slice the pork. So I'll let you know, guys, when it's ready. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe.